Hello students, how are you? In the last video, we have seen how to draw three circles in a line, correct? Now today we are going to learn how to draw traffic signal. So first of all, I will explain you in Paint and then I will explain you in MSW logo software. Okay. So first of all, I will open our Paint software. Here I have opened it. Now here you can observe three circles. This first circle will be of green color, second will be of yellow color, third one will be of red color. And here this distance we will take of 500 and this distance we will take of 200. Okay, so let's start. I will open our MSW logo software. See, I have opened. Okay, now so let's start. First of all, I will draw circle. Done. Now we will give here first green color. So how to give color? Go to set option, then flood color, and then select this green color. Okay, and then here only type fill. Done. Now we will type PU command because we want to take forward this turtle. How much distance forward without drawing any line? So we will type PU and then how much distance we want to go here? 150. So FT space 150. Done. Now afterward you want to draw a circle. So PD, because once you have used PU command. If you have used PU command, then afterward if you want to draw something, then you should use PD command. So again PD, then press enter and then circle. Now here we will give yellow color. How to give yellow color? Go to set, flood color, select yellow color, OK, and here fill. Done. Now we will draw third circle. So we want to take these turtle to take forward, move forward without drawing any line. So I will take here PU command again. Then FT, how much distance? Same, 150. Okay, but see, you can't see the turtle. Okay, so what you have to do? See, right side, you can see these small rectangle here. See, so click here and take it little bit upper, take it upper side. Okay, then you can see the turtle. Okay, now here again if you have used PU command, then afterward if you want to draw something, then you should use first PD command. PD, press enter and then type circle 50. Okay, and then give here red color. Set, flood color, red. Okay, and give here fill, type here fill. Done. Now we want to draw these rectangle outside of those circles. Okay, so how we will draw this? So first of all I will take the turtle outside here up to here. So PU command but without drawing any line. Okay, without drawing any line. So first use PU command, then FT 100. Okay, take this upper side and then turn the turtle because we want to draw a line here. So turn the turtle, that is RT space 90. Okay, and then use PD. Okay, and then FT. How much this? See, this distance is will be of 200. Then up to here it will be 100. Correct? This will be 100. This will be 100. And now our turtle is in the middle. So I will take this distance of 100. Okay. So here FT 100. Now we will turn our turtle. Okay. Because we want to draw a line here. Isn't it? So we will turn our turtle and then we will draw a line. So I will turn the turtle to right side. This will be of right side. So RT space 90. Okay, and this distance it will be of 500. So I will take here FD space 500. Done. Now see, you can't see this line, correct, and turtle. Then what you can do, whenever you will take your mouse pointer here, this size you can increase or decrease. So what you can do, you can decrease this size. See, like this, and take it here. Click and take it here. Understood? Okay, got it. Now again we will turn the turtle to right side. So RT space 90. Again FD space. How much this distance? I told you this distance will be of 200. Okay, so here we will take 200. That is FD space 200. Done. Now again we will turn the turtle to right side. RT space 90. And then FD space 500. And then RT 90. And this distance will be of 100. Sorry. FD 100. D space 100. Done. Okay. Now what part is remaining? We want to give color here. So what you can do? RT space 90. Okay, we will turn the turtle and take your turtle little bit inside these rectangle, because whenever you want to give color to any shape, then what's the formula? That your turtle should be inside that shape. So our turtle is on this line, but we want to give color to this rectangle. So we will take little bit inside this turtle without drawing any line. So we will type here PU command first. Then how much? Little bit. It means I will take FD space 20. Done. No need to take so much. Okay, don't take inside this circle up to here only 20 without drawing any line. So I have used here this PU command and then I have used FD20. Okay, and now then set flood color and select here black. Okay, and then type here fill. Yes, it's done. Now we want to draw a line here. Okay, so I will take my turtle up to here without drawing any line. So we have already used PU command. Then no need to use PD command. So just only type FD space 480, because we moved forward of 20, this 500, and we moved forward of this 20. So we will take here 480. Done. And now we will draw a line here, a big line. So how to draw a line here? First use PD. Okay, and then set pen size little bit is bigger, then click on OK and then type here FD space 100. Done. Our traffic signal is ready. Okay, now listen students, see, If see you are so small, I know that you, if you are feeling this difficult to draw these line. Okay, so what you can do, you can draw these three circles at least, give color to it, and try to draw these rectangle outside of this circle. Okay, if you are feeling this difficult, listen carefully. If you are feeling this difficult, but these circles you can draw and you can give color, it is easy at least. Okay, so try to draw these three circles and try to draw these outside rectangle. Okay, understood? And give color to it. And these, if you can't draw, it's okay, but try to draw these rectangle outside the circle. Okay, so thank you.